car. Love it. You said we can start it. Oh, what a silly noise. Come out with some serious power. What an absolute weapon. What a weapon. I mean, that'd get you, the kids, the family, the camping gear to the campsite pretty quickly, wouldn't it? I feel a bit inferior with my little 220. Also not JDM. But unfortunately it's not JDM, so let's get back to the cars. But we don't talk about that at JDM. Kia Ceed, mint. Found myself in a wet field with my ST220, but luckily at the same time as me being here, there's also some absolutely badass JDM cars. Let's go and have a little look at what we found at this little JDM meet going on. First but most definitely not least is the GTO, which we've got here of John Turbo. That's GTO on Instagram. Let's have a look around this beast. Cheeky V6, 220-ish horsepower, four-wheel drive, and a wicked stance on that machine. How's it going, John?
Oh, I got an idea coming.
The GTO, what's going on with it?
I think it's good.
Oh, yeah. You did a job on the front wheel. Did you paint the other wheels? No.
Would you?
Yeah.
It's awesome. No, it's a test colour. Do you like it?
Yeah, I did.
So I should do all four.
Yeah, do all four.
Well, there'll only be three more, won't it?
Yeah, I think it's wicked.
I don't have to pay three, not four.
But
I've done one.
how much are you driving this now?
Not much, no. I take it to work once a week.
Oh, nice. And you got a new wagon.
ST170.
ST170, baby.
We're just a bunch of ST owners.
We don't talk about that at JDM, mate. What a wicked, wicked cabin. And your butt is on the floor. The dash seems pretty high, but that's obviously just helping with that feel of being right sat down in it. Really cool. Nice gauges. Nice setup with the other little dials at the top. Everything's sort of driver centric. Loving it. Loving it. You said we can start it. Oh, what a silly noise. Oh. John, Mr. Organizer, owns this absolutely lovely Celica GT. He's making a GT4 replica. Wicked looking machine. Definitely a thing with these interiors, this wraparound sort of dash that's facing the driver. Everything's very, very driver centric, and what quality look it is. Proper wicked 90s Jap car. Love it. Absolutely popping white. That is wicked. Look at that bad boy in a minute. Check out this. Proper iconic little machine. Loving those alloys as well on that car. That is awesome. Nicely showing off its Brembo brakes front and back. These sort of performance four-door cars, I mean, one of the reasons I was going down the 220 route is something fun, family orientated, but these things are just insane, coming out with some serious power. What an absolute weapon. So this bad boy is a GTR underneath with a monster 400 horsepower twin turbo engine. He's got turbos in the back ready to make it 600 horsepower. Like, I mean, that'll get you, the kids, the family, the camping gear to the campsite pretty quickly, wouldn't it? Check out that rally spec Celica, old school, what a beast. Loving it all in all those colours. Flaps and wheels, what a monster. Very cool 300X. Twin turbo V6. What a wicked looking car. This is more my era. Look at that machine. Obviously this machine got the cheeky rotor in it, and it came with carbs originally. It's been upgraded to injection, and he's about to pop the bonnet for us to have a look, but that is so cool. What a wicked looking car, and clean as hell as well. Really clean all the way around. Lovely wheels too. Yeah, good. Loving that proper 70s look interior. Some cheeky tweaks down there as well, those dials. What a wicked space. Old cassette player in there and everything. That is wicked. So this bad boy, cheeky rotary engine in there, as you've just seen from the pictures. It's a 1.1 litre, and he's done some fettling with it, purely in terms of induction and exhaust. Manifolds and then injection system on it, and he's managing to run just over 200 horsepower but with no other modifications to it. Like, that's bonkers. What a bonkers machine. Quality. But unfortunately it's not JDM, so let's get back to the cars. Also not JDM. That is bloody lovely, isn't it? Take it easy, buddy. That's it for a very, very wet JDM meet, and it's been really wet, especially coming in. There was a bit of a dry spell, which was really nice, so I managed to capture the cars, have a chat with the owners, and have a little look around. There's some wicked cars here. Now, John, who's organised this event, has done a couple of other events organised for the rest of the summer, so please make sure to go and check the description down below for the details if you fancy going along, if you're in the JDM scene, or Japanese car scene, in fact, all of them. A little bit out of place with them on day, but I've really enjoyed coming and looking around some cars, and someone even mentioned that this is quite a nice wagon too, so pretty happy with that. Right, I'm going to go crack on, guys. It's been a pleasure to have you along for this episode. If you've liked it, please make sure to hit the button. If you fancy watching another one of my videos, why not try this one right here? And if you haven't yet already done so, please make sure to subscribe. Please drive safe out there, and I'll catch you again on a future episode of the Dizzy Cap Car Show.